What's up, peeps? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be reacting to another Tiffany Silver video. My God, Water Baby's at it again, and she's hanging with a friend today. She's hanging with a friend. We're going to be talking about it. We're going to be checking it out today. Mama, what go on here, so? You alright? You look stressed. Like you cage up, like you want to go in there a while. Let her out, I cage people. Let her out. Mama cooked up. Road, me say. Out the road. Let her out.
Guys, it's your girl Tiffany here. Welcome back to my channel. So today is the last day here in St. Vincent. I'm a little bit sad that things didn't work out as expected, but I will say that with traveling comes with experiences like this, and all I gotta do is learn from it, grow from it, and move on. I've definitely learned from this trip, and it's not gonna stop here traveling wise. I'm still gonna travel to different countries, explore, try new things, try new food, and yeah, I'm still grateful no matter what. So because today is the last day, I didn't want to really stay home, so I'm gonna take you guys to a falls called Darkview Falls, and it is a very popular falls here in St. Vincent. It's on the leeward side, and it's pretty easy to find on the GPS. So we're gonna head there today just to wash off, well, a vibe, cool off. I feel like I haven't really gotten a proper wash off, so I'm excited to actually go there and just hold the vibe there. So yeah.
All right, let's go. Let's go on a vibe. Let's see what's going on with Tiffany. St. Vincent, last day. Things never to go as planned, but at the end of the day, she enjoyed herself and she learned from it. So, make us see what go on and what I go on. Let's react to it. Let's go. Rocking out, St. Vincent, just like Jamaica and all the other islands, beautiful, beautiful islands. Love the islands, yo. You know what I'm saying? The trees, the greenery, beautiful. Can't go around it. Not like the islands. The water is just so beautiful. Even though I'm not doing the swimming car, I can't swim. That's why I react. That's why I'm watching instead of diving and swimming.
Jesus!
Me nah go on that. That looks scary. What kind of bridge that? I call your soon dead bridge. You drop off your mash up bridge. Tiffany I move shaky. Like him afraid. You afraid? Yeah, alright, mama.
It's a bunks boy.
Bunks. Willie Bunks.
Alright, so we made it to the first falls. This is more of the touristy falls, so we're not gonna stop here.
Okay. So you say tourists them come see the falls.
We are heading to the real fall, Darkview Falls, straight up top. It's not much of a hike, but I wanted to show you guys. So this is my second fall, so yeah, just stay tuned. We're gonna reach like probably 10-15 minutes. So yeah, just stay tuned, guys.
Yeah, me like to make her talk when, when her audio chip in and stuff like that, because I want to still hear what she has to say even though me a react. You see me? Waterfalls is always so beautiful. Tiffany always enjoy the waterfall. Definitely a water baby. Can't go around that. So the falls are beautiful. See that she hanging out with her friend today. They might enjoy themselves. Yeah. They might add to the scenery. Yeah, adding to the scenery. You know Tiffany always adding to the scenery. If you get what I'm saying. You understand? You know when you see me do that, you know what going on.
Alright guys. So this is Tequila. He's taking us to Darkview Falls.
Yes man, welcome to the beautiful Darkview Falls. I'm here with the sweet Tiffany from JA Jamaica. And I'll be joining her next week in Jamaica. So look out for me. I'm coming to eat some ackee and saltfish.
Where do I look out for you?
Same thing what I'm saying.
Stand ready. Boy, you want to eat ackee and saltfish, but sweet Tiffany. Hey, watch it. What you do, you? Alright, let me see what I'm going.
Go wet your hands in the pan, Walk in the pan and go wet your hands.
Where are we going? Up there?
You're going up there, yeah.
Up there? Me ain't go up there. Dog, me nah do them sitting here, no? Me ain't the rock stone climbing and slippery stone, maras and them sitting the slip and me mash up myself, you know. Twist all the ankle broke a foot. Me can't take
Yeah, I'm good.
Yo, them people are brave. I'm
like
gonna
a
walk on all
5-minute
this stone
hike.
like him about to drop and mash up himself, you know.
Alright guys, so that hike was like 5 minutes. Pretty short. But we have arrived. Woo.
So them reach her now. She love them falls, that boy. Me look. Me not too join in. Me look. Water just a shoot out of the stone. Watch Tiffany, I get in a motion. Love the water, you know.
Ooh.
Alright, now you're
Is
talking.
Lucky?
My name you call
No,
mango.
nice.
Like a kitchen.
Me don't know what kind of mango, but me love mango.
So nice.
Look
Tequila
like
bought us
number
some
11.
mangoes.
They look like number 11. Slash like fine skin looking type mango. Me don't know.
This was an easy hike, but the view is amazing. Where is this go?
Me want some of my mango. I know mango time in Jamaica now, but close to it. East Indian, I can still get some East Indian and some Julie. But me can't wait till a mango season. I go down to Jamaica and them 1,000 million mango. Me talk it like it is. Once me can't none come foreign. You know that go already. Yeah. I could see what I go on here, so. Aerial shot again. Alright. Waterfall. Ladies, them enjoy themselves. That is it. Mad move. Yeah, man. Waterfall, them pretty. But pretty dangerous if you ask me. I'm not a waterfall fan like the giant. Looking at my thing. Mad thing, though. Yeah, man, that is it. Scenery. Adding to it, as always. The landscape is crazy. That the way it look, it just look, it look like, yo, crazy. It look nice. It look mad.
Yes, this is nice,
like
clean. Debris from out of the volcano mixed with ash and everything. Some people call it Rabaka stuff. Comes down to the main veins on the countryside to an area called the Rabaka. And we build our houses with it. That's why our houses are so strong. But today this is good for exfoliating your heels and your legs. You just scrub it. Your heel a good scrub, man. Smooth like silk.
Is it good for washing face?
Hi. Okay guys, this is Kaya. She came with tequila. So me, Kaya, tequila and Raj around there. We're here at this beautiful falls called Dark View Falls. And we're gonna jump in. That is
Beautiful scenery, beautiful ladies. Hey, I'm all for it. Why not? Let's see what's popping. It's a vibe, as Tiffany loves to say.
rocky, rocky.
Tiffany was a real Rasta girl, you know, real Rasta. I wonder if her mother and her father are Rasta too. Like, did she take it on as fashion or she just naturally into the natural, you know? Real Rasta.
Yep, hurt yourself.
Do it and done, ladies. That is it. That
So
is it.
heavy.
Water, rain from the moons and the stars is it.
Oh. Watch me. Open it. The second time, the kind of sharp. Be careful. Wicked spot. I want to show us all the people. Everybody else is scared. Be careful, be careful.
A shalama.
Nice. I see you, Jed, man. Shot the for you too. Yeah, show the black girl. Shake it, Matty.
As me say, Tiffany love waterfall, yeah. Extra love it. You can see say when she in at the waterfall, it was like a heaven she did.
You see that? Beautiful. Beautiful. You can drink the water because it's clear. It's clean.
Nah, drink it. Nah, drink it. Me nah drink it.
Clean. Now what's your hair? What's your hair? I definitely feel refreshed. Yo, that was so awesome. It's like every tour I've been on, I've seen pineapples. Look.
She love pineapple, love pineapple and love water.
Darkview Falls have a vibe.
Me I change her name from water baby to pineapple water baby.
Okay guys, we're gonna peel pineapple.
The knife, Vincent, the knife careful pot butter.
This?
You want sharp. You just forget everything.
Alright. Okay, yeah, I feel it. We're gonna make it work.
Everything me has sweet. Everything me has sweet.
No man, this dull. Whew. Come back.
Our knife cousin that
Bounty
man.
killer. Alright.
Me get scared when Mrs. Shah use the knife. Cause sometimes the way she hold the knife look dangerous. She use the knife like she want to cut off a finger or two. Scary. Me not for that, you know. Me don't want to see the blood. When you have
Every
peel
trip I've been
pineapple-
on, I've gotten pineapple, so I'm appreciative of that.
when you have
Knife
peel
dull,
pineapple-
so kinda difficult.
when you have
Nice.
peel, when you have peel pineapple, you have to be very patient.
Too
Very
dull, man.
patient.
What did that first?
I make sure tell you all, yeah?
It's sharp, man.
Make sure tell you all. Yeah.
Tiffany strong, you know? In strong your fat.
Natural yardy.
Sweet.
So two of them are Rasta. Oh, it's a Rasta link up. Or maybe a fashion trend. I don't know.
When I'm in Jamaica, I'm always have pineapple.
Always have pineapple.
And I'm always have plantain.
Plantain.
Alright.
About 3 piece.
So we just left the waterfall. As you can see, we didn't really do much. The hike was pretty short. It was a 5-10 minute hike. There wasn't much to do at the falls because it wasn't deep, but I really enjoyed the waterfall itself. It's really the simple things sometimes, and it's actually one of the best falls I've been to since being in St. Vincent. But it's only been 2 waterfalls now, so yeah, it's the best one out of the other one that I went to. The other one was Will Be Free. This is the best one. It's pretty cool and natural, and the sun is on your face and it does feel nice. But right now we cook some food back at the Airbnb, so I'll see you guys there.
Do the right thing. Back at the Airbnb. Tiffany had a wonderful time out. You see me, I said she made the most of it. Falls wasn't too deep as she said. I don't know why she wanted deeper. She want dive? I don't know. She want swim underwater? GoPro? I don't know.
Now we're back, and I wanted to cook something. But when I looked in the fridge coming home, I saw that there was only saltfish, sweet potato, pasta, and plantain. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I did not think this through. I don't know why in my mind I have food here. I don't know if it's because I'm so used to being in Jamaica and having unlimited food, but this is all I have. So I'm a little nervous right now. But I'm gonna work something out. So yeah, let's see what we can do.
Sweet potato and saltfish, I love that.
First, I'm going to boil the saltfish so I can get that out of the way, because I obviously have to do that. So let me just grab this.
Yeah, man, you have to boil the saltfish, boil out the salt and thing, you see me? Yeah, I know any of the saltfish me deal with, you see me? Saltfish, some of the time can smell or taste funny. I'm not really too giant them thing there, so, yeah. But this look alright, I guess, but the meat look thick, extra thick, like this is...
off the salt before I put it in the pot.
Like one of the Ark brand or one of them there. I like Grisp. I think the Grisp is yeah, light and thinner. It's like a big gigantic ugly fish there. We're afraid of.
All the ingredients, and I have 1 pepper. Oh my god.
1 pepper is good enough.
Yeah, that's the
onion, garlic, pepper. That work. You need some tomato though. Would I need some tomato? We go with the saltfish.
Fish.
But it can't work same way.
The garlic.
She's a big fan of garlic. I'm not. I don't really cook with garlic. Like, I don't really cook with garlic that much. But some people love garlic. Like, me no OD. Some people love to actually taste garlic, like them need to taste garlic. Them just garlic up every last thing. Yeah, you see them thick saltfish, extra thick saltfish. So I don't like it, you know. All annoying and sticky when you deal with it. Alright, boil the sweet potato. Okay. How can I rasta music that I rock to in the background? Yeah? It's a vibe, huh? Yeah, man. Say we're jamming. We're jamming. Cooking saltfish with Tiff. I say we're jamming. That is it.
It's already cooked.
Hold on, you find tomato. Oh, you say you didn't have no season, I miss season. Hey, Tiffany, mine, you find tomato, who got shop?
Only
Somebody got shop. No tomato that. Tiffany, I want to find one tomato or me a see things. That look like tomato. Sweet pepper. Come on, notice you find sweet pepper too. Because you didn't only say have garlic and onion and pepper. Unless the pepper that. You're confused. Or is that sweet pepper? Is that red sweet pepper? I'm confused.
5-10 minutes.
At this point, I'm like, whatever.
So everything can just soak in nice. And
Look edible same way. I like sawfish. And sawfish and sweet potato, sawfish and dumpling, banana, yam. The pasta and sawfish. But pasta is like dumpling to me, you know what I'm saying? It's like when you're not a dumpling, you can just get some pasta. Some penny. I love penny pasta.
So
Yeah, so that one I can
I'm
go
gonna
on
do
to.
a little pasta mix.
When I say pasta, I mean without the cheese and all that stuff. I just mean
Macaroni here,
just
so
the
some
just the
mayo.
like this right there, so for my little grow, this sick my stomach. I get nauseous with mayo and cheese and the smell of it. It make me from a little grow, that's make me nauseous. Like if it, from little grow, if I want to vomit, yo, let me taste all that, let me smell all that. Just the smell of the cheese mixed with the pasta, but me sick for me a little youth I grow. So maybe that's why I'm not a pasta person. For me little, me not like pasta. I'll eat the penny pasta with like say like maybe curry chicken or stew pork or something, and I'll just boil the penny and just eat it with it like that. But the cheese, like cheesy pasta
Alright
and
guys, there
extra
we have it.
cheesy,
Some
me not join them sitting
saltfish
there.
with sweet potato and
Me,
pasta.
me no want no part of that. Give me the
let's
sweet
try it.
potato and the sawfish.
Alright. Let me see if if the saltfish too salt.
Need a little salt in it. If you not no salt in it, it not work.
Kind of salt.
At least you talk your truth.
It is a sweet potato.
Fresh. You don't put the salt in the water.
It's not what I expected, but
You don't put the salt. You don't put the salt in the water. Talk your truth.
and the pasta.
Dirt.
Hey guys, so we just left St. Vincent a couple hours ago. We're currently in Trinidad right now. We're gonna be staying here for 24 hours, then we go back to Jamaica tomorrow.
pretty.
But yes, that's the end of the St. Vincent journey. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the little short videos that I did. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
That is it, Tiffany. Tiffany Silver, water baby people. At the Adventure Reaction channel. Yeah. If you're enjoying this content, what you have to do, subscribe. And if you have any recommendation for like other videos to react to, just drop it in the comment area. Just do the right thing, and I'll react to videos. I don't have a problem reacting to videos. I love adventures. I'll watch and I'll react. I'm just basically just making content out of things that I normally watch. Like I normally watch Tiffany. I normally watch Hidden Beauty. I normally watch like, Beezy and them that do adventures when I watch adventures. So all of a sudden I'm like, you know what? I should make content out of it. I should share my reaction with the world as a YouTuber. Why not? You know what I'm saying? So if you're enjoying the content, as I said, subscribe for more. And in the comment area, you can recommend vlogs you want me to react to, adventures and stuff like that. So peace out, love and respect. I'm outie.